Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today I have a very upset Ollie. He does not want his bath today. This is his last bath before we move out, before the TV show takes over the whole house. So here we go.
There you go, boy. Get some of that soap on you. Good job, Ollie, boy. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. So I'm trying a new method of holding his tail closer to the base there. I don't want him to twist around too much because he can get hurt. But all right. We're almost finished. Look at my sweater. There you go. It's okay. Let's get you rinsed. It's okay, bud. It's all right. Get that tail. You got some soap on it. All right. Come here. Get your hat. He's so mad with his bath. All right. This is your last bath here. All right. So chill out. All right. So I'm gonna put him in his little tiny isolation enclosure. Here we go. Let him start drying out. Give him a snack. I like to give him these fish snacks because he's going to focus on drying off first. They help his hair and his skin. He said, I want to get more dry first. So I'm doing it this way in this little cage this time, guys, because the whole playroom and stuff is packed up. We had to pack everything up to for them to do the work in here. So we got piles of boxes everywhere and tape. Alrighty, so that's crying. So we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to life. Please like and subscribe.